get the multi-tool. That means I have to bring my intellect to 90, so it's a bit up there. I think it's 17 off. Oh, now I'm at 72, so 18. Still selling this. Oh, no, you changed. You're gonna need that timber. Always gotta have timber and always gotta have duct tape. Howdy! Howdy, partner. Okay, we're good. Apparently, Phone Dog's been doing crams and crams. Crams and taps. Okay. Yeah, 2. What's good? What's good, man? 1, and so now, don't see me. You don't see me! Come on, dude. You saw me I was hiding behind my desk. Okay, so I showed up first. I'm eating. Look, see, I'm eating my Belgian waffles. I don't know how that happened. Can I sit down like a normal human being? Okay, good. Okay, give me 20 press-ups. Nope. Can't take on any more favors. I don't think I'm gonna be beating up Officer Linus anytime soon. Okay, 4 from. So I have to search MKBHD's desk, MS Tech's desk. Then I need to find a sponge and a bar of chocolate. Ooh. The beat-ups are real. Okay. Neither of them have stuff that... Can't do any beatings. Next even meal, I got you. So, just bring my mouse pad down. Okay. Let's think. So we have the staff key, and then I think inside there we have the green key. The work key mold. So, if I can just bring this up to 90 today, that would be good. And then TLD today. Okay, the selling changed again. What we at? 80. Okay, let's go up to 90. Maybe 85. What is going on with my character, bro? What the hell? Okay, that was weird. Ooh, someone's doing a fight. Fight club. Who is it? Who has been... I don't know who's been cooking up the fight, but... So, now we're at 87. Now it's lunchtime. So... I mean, just skirt on over to lunch for a second. Check. What's the salesman saying? Nice. Okay. Let me take you. Where's the other seller? It's MKBHD. He doesn't have anything good. I mean... Skirt. The lunch music is low-key fire. Okay. What I want to do now is take you. So now we got the plastic staff key. And then what we're gonna do with this, we're just gonna take it, skirt on out. And now we're gonna go do our job, which will take 2.5 seconds, after we watch this fight. And then proceedingly steal what that person has. But it's of no use, so, you know, we're just gonna then skirt on through this contraband detector into the laundry room. I don't care if I have to wash people's underwear. Oh, press it. See how fast that was? I always. 3, 4. 4! Oh my god. Ooh, that is making me mad. I don't know why. I just can't press the 4 key, apparently. Okay, so I have 3 timber. So, hold on. Do I have another duct tape? No, I don't. Okay. I don't know what I want to make. So, you know what? I'm just gonna keep digging. Just gonna keep digging. Nice. Should be. Yeah, this should bring me to like 5% on the trowel. Damn it. Okay. You know what? I'm prepared for it. I'm prepared for the situation. You wanna know why? After I flush these, I can go in here. Oh, well, it's exercise, so can't do that. Just gonna shower myself off real quick. And then we're gonna pump some iron. Ooh, the fight! Fighting is real. Someone's just roaring in the back. Brandon. I mean, you're like 15, dude. How do you... I don't know what Austin Evans is doing with all those pedicure kits, but whatever. No, he can be himself, and I will not be ashamed of that. Just gonna take all those. Ooh, I can buy that and give it to him for basically just getting a free $2, but who cares? Who cares? Everyone's gonna get up. We're gonna just, you know, we're gonna shower off. You guards enjoying the view. I bet they are. You know, my boy Dom. Yeah, I mean, maybe Dom doesn't. Maybe. Who knows? I don't know. Maybe he's enjoying the view, maybe he isn't. Maybe he just wants all this to be done. Lewis, on Box Therapy, definitely enjoying the view. And then Linus. He's just like, I think he's trying to find a way to make the showers RGB, but, you know. Loki got a skirt out of here. And that's evening mail. Ooh, someone got beaten down. Nope. Nothing of use. I'm here. It's all cracking off next breakfast. I am not a believer in that. Sorry. Skirting out of here. I like how I'm leaving and they're like, come back. Or come on. I'm like, get a move on. It's like, whoa. Okay. So many files. Okay. Let me just work out a plan. So, crafting. Wait, what's it? Okay. So, my intelligence is at 89. So that means that if we go over here, do 2, just because. Now we're at 91, so that means you go over here, skirt this, skirt and ta, 3, this, and you, and then take you. We're gonna start chipping. Okay, that brings it down 5%, and it did 14, so... Whoa! What? Bro, I must be chipping, but no. Low-key, that was the worst pun ever. Low-key and high-key. Yoink. Thank you. Ooh, that's good. So now I can go here, skirt. What I can do here is just drop you there. I can take you and keep digging. Need a brace. So I'll take you. Oh, 2. 28%? Holy. And that brought it down 20%. Nice. So it needs 3. Or, no, 4. But still. That's amazing. Okay. Okay. Before you do anything, let me get here. Oh, I didn't see this. Oh, I didn't see the thing. Oh, hell no. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, hold on. I need to think about this. Okay. What can I flush? Okay. I can flush. Okay. Not yet. Okay. Okay, I need to think. I need to think about this. Okay. Okay. 16 seconds. Okay. Let's wait. Okay. This is gonna be tricky and risky to do. Oh, I forgot that my cell was being searched. Oh, I completely forgot. Oh my. Okay, flush. And then 5. And then throw on the guard outfit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, drop this, pick up you. Drop this. Where can I drop this? Okay. Please tell me. Okay, it's at 90. Okay. Straight shovel. Okay. Pick up you. And you. Okay. Do I have an extra piece of duct tape? Yes, I do. Yes! The multi-tool is made. Okay. Okay. Nice. I'm just gonna dig a little bit more. That's what I think I want to do. Yeah, take this trowel. It's at 5%. I can just... Actually, I can. I have an extra timber brace, okay. 2. Trowel breaks. Great. I know this multi-tool goes like 20% or something like that. It does 26. Even better. And it goes down. Does it go down 1%? Oh, hell no. It goes down 1%. Ooh. We have some time. We have time. We definitely have time. Okay. 1. I know there's an extra bed sheet in here. Let's throw up these. 1, 2. Come out here. Take these. 1. File. 1. What? No! Oh my god! Holy. Oh my god. 2. Holy hellamajellums. No way. No, okay. I gotta get back. Throw on this. Drop you. Drop, top.